A heart murmur does not mean we have to avoid sedation. Hi, I'm Dr. Danny Radwin, bringing you lessons from the floor, quick tips for vet students and early career vets. My patient today was an 8-year-old dog who needed a torn dewclaw removed. The owner was understandably nervous about sedation because this dog has a history of a heart murmur. But here's the key thing that I shared with them. A heart murmur by itself doesn't mean the dog can't be safely sedated. What matters more is the whole picture. The type of murmur, any previous cardiac workup, and how they've handled anesthesia before. So in this case, this patient had an echo in the past, which showed early valve disease, and he'd already had a dental recently under anesthesia without any complications. So instead of avoiding sedation, I just used the same protocol that had worked for him already. And this was a really good way to communicate with the clients. And so this lesson for you early career vets is don't make decisions based on one finding like a murmur alone. Look at the whole history. It often can give you the safest path forward. So make sure to save this tip, share it with your friends, and follow us for more lessons from the floor.